Fresh fish or prawns or crab, cooked as a curry or roast or fry, is a main part of most of our home menu. Even though the cleaning process for fish items is a little messy, but now most of the shops and online stores we buy seafood items, deliver it cleaned and cut into curry sizes. So now we have no excuses to not try these delicious recipes, provided you are not a strict vegetarian, of course. I am Savitri Suresh. In this video I am showing you how to cook crab roast. This is very easy to make recipe, and I request everyone to try this at home. Once you try this, please share your comments in the comment box. For this recipe I am using half kilogram crab. Half kilogram is after cleaning and cutting the crabs into pieces. The other ingredients are 2 medium onions, chopped, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, salt, 1.5 teaspoon fennel seed powder, few curry leaves, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon freshly ground pepper, 6 cloves of garlic chopped, 3 chilies of around 2 inches cut roughly into 1 centimeter sizes, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 4 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 inch ginger chopped, and 1 piece tamarind. Heat 3 tablespoon coconut oil in a pan and add chopped onion. Add garlic, ginger, green chilies and curry leaves. Add a little salt. The salt helps bring the moisture out of the onions. It helps to cook down onions up a little bit faster and you get a nicer and deeper brown onions. Once the onion become light golden color, add coriander powder, turmeric powder and chili powder. Keep stirring till the raw smell of spices are gone. Now add ground pepper and crab pieces, and salt as required. Pour half cup of water and put the tamarind piece in the pan. Stir well for some time. Then cover and cook in medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the cover and add garam masala and fennel seed powder. To bring out the flavor, add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Stir well and cover the pan. Cook for another half a minute. The delicious crab roast is ready and you can move it into a serving dish now. Make sure you remove the tamarind piece before you serve it. Crab roast can be served with rice as side dish. Or you can serve it with chapati, paratha or any other Indian flat bread. Enjoy the crab roast.